Mornings just got easier with Smoothie Starter, the most convenient and foolproof way to make a well-rounded organic smoothie in seconds. Use Smoothie Starter to replace milk or yogurt in your smoothies and make them gut healthy, packed with postbiotics and 20 grams of protein per serving. Start by choosing your flavor, organic oat or coconut milk. Both contain zinc to help support immunity. Your smoothie options are endless. It's as simple as adding your favorite ingredients, some ice, the Smoothie Starter, and blend. Smoothie Starter has a natural taste that complements any flavors, so you can blend up whatever you're craving and never get bored. Both flavors have 4 servings per bottle, so you'll always be ready to make a functional meal or snack in seconds. Empowerment starts here with delicious, time-saving convenience and a better-for-you smoothie every time with Smoothie Starter.